Alright, so today we're going to be talking about how to take an English sentence and to rewrite it into an algebraic equation. This will be an introduction to concepts of solving word problems. Today we're just going to be dealing with just simple sentences. Next time we'll be dealing with how to solve a word problem. So writing an equation. So if you're writing an equation, you need to identify the unknown which you're looking for and assign a variable to that. It doesn't matter what the variable is. If it's your equation, you can always use x, y. You can try and assign the variable as a certain letter based off what it is. Doesn't really matter. Then you're going to write that sentence as an equation. Certain keywords to look for are going to be is, as much as, is the same as, or is identical to. Those will imply where you're going to have your equal sign go in the equation. And everything to the left of that word or phrase will be the left side of the equation. Everything to the right of that word or phrase will be the right side of the equation. So let's translate this sentence into an equation. 15 times a number subtracted from 80 is 25. So this is part right here is our equal sign. Everything to the right of that is the right sign, so it's only 25, so 25 is the only thing on the right-hand side. It says 15 times a number subtracted from 80. Now with subtraction you need to be careful. Addition you can just do exactly the order it says, it'd be 15x plus 80, you're done. But subtracted from, it could either be 15x minus 80 or 80 minus 15x. Both are different, so it depends. Something like subtracted from. You're taking it from 80. Therefore, you want to subtract it from 80, so it'll be like this situation right here. 80 minus 15x. For subtraction, when I say subtracted from or less than, that's where you're going to be talking about switching the order it appears in. If it's subtracted by or decreased by, then it's going to be the same order. Or if it's just simply minus. So if you're ever not sure, just think of the logic with just actual numbers. 20 subtracted from 80, you're going to take 20 from 80, 80 minus 20, I switched the order. 2 plus the quotient of a number in 8 is the same as 16. So is the same as is our equal sign. The only thing to the right of that is 16. So now this 2 plus the quotient of a number in 8 is the same as 16. That's our left-hand side. 2 plus the quotient of a number. So it's 2 plus, quotient is division, quotient of a number in 8, you're going to do x divided by 8. You also could write it as x over 8. That should be an 8, not a 6. And that would be the exact same thing. 27 times k is h squared decreased by 9. So sometimes there's more than one variable. Generally the sentence will tell you which different variables to use. It's not going to say 17 times a number is the number squared. That'd be the same number. But if they give you an actual variable, we know those are two different ones. So 17 times k, so 27 times k is 27k is h squared decreased by 9. And again, since we're saying decrease by, we keep the order it appears, h squared minus 9. Had this said h squared subtracted from 9, we would then switch it and have 9 minus h squared. Okay, so those are just the basics for writing a sentence, an algebraic equation from an English sentence. So next time we're going to talk about how to take a word problem and translate that to write an equation to then solve it. So I'll see you next time.